Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete an app on iPhone. So at first just go to the app that you want to delete. Now just press it on the app, and after pressing it, here you can see the first one, remove app. Click on it, and here you can see delete app. By clicking delete app you can just delete this app. But if you are facing any problem to delete this app, you can also delete it from your settings. So at first just go to your settings. Now just go to general and click on iPhone storage. Now just go to the app that you want to delete, and here you can see delete app. Click it, and here you can see delete app. By clicking delete app you can just delete this app from your device. So guys, that's how you can delete an app permanently on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.